Oh, so I know what to do. Welcome back. Part 2, I guess. To be continued. That was so weird and funny. Oh, but you can add that other part that I used to play all the time. I don't know what to do with. I'm just gonna add it right out of the song. It'll be our #1 hit. So it goes. That one that goes. That'd be sweet. It'll go right along with it. So you go into the. Loud for a second, that's right. I gotta get used to not spitting on it. I used to always do that. It helps, but I gotta do it all the time once you start. And then you can go right back into that other part. That's so good. That'd give me such a good song. We're sort of singing on there. Oh my god. We're me singing on it, I forgot. I had to keep stopping. I post those videos of me singing at his show. I had to tell myself to stop. I would have sang the whole time. The whole time. As long as I could. I was like, I just eventually get louder than be in front dancing. It was a horrible, amazing. The security guard was watching me, he thought I was drunk. Just high in life, baby. All right. Love you guys. Bye.